Hope everyone's safe and well. Just showing you this mower. It looks like a toy mower, but it's actually a battery powered lawnmower. The battery's in the front here. What powers the lawnmower there? The battery. And you just push the button to pull it out. And then it's got like a little button here to push on the battery, and it shows you how much battery charge it's got left. So it's got 2 bars left. And then all you do is just slot him in. I'll give him a rev for you guys. You just push the button down and then pull that lever. She's a little beast. Say hello.
Hello. Daddy, what do you want on now? I'm painting on the wrong way. I'm gonna paint on the wrong way.
So then you can just pick it up with your hand. The whole mower. It's that light. The kids want to have a go of it. You gonna mow the lawn for Daddy? Yeah, hang on. Daddy will start it and then you pushed it. Ready? Wait there. Let it go. Hold it on. Yay! Good girl, mow the lawn for Daddy. That's it, now push it back. Oh. You look, turn around this way. And then push it down. Daddy, start it back up.
Yeah.
Hold the lever. Don't go fast. Keep turn around. Turn it around. Yep. Oh. Ready?
No, it might go.
Wait up. Keep turning around, mate. Watch your feet, don't go near it. But you got to watch your feet because it's dangerous. Yeah, stand back while you watch Madden.
Why your turn?
Yeah, stand here.
Yeah.
You got to hold that lever down, alright?
Yeah.
Wait there. Whoa! Ready for your turn?
What?
Yeah, you gotta all stand there because it's dangerous. It's got blades on it. Stand there. Wait up, Havana. Don't run in front because it's dangerous. Stand here. Quick. Come back here. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care and I'll see you on the next one.